Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how do you overline text in Word. To start, open your Word document. When you do this, you will go to the Insert menu and click on Equation. After this, click on the Accent option and there select the Overbars option. Once added, select the box and in the Conversion section, click on Text. Now, from the Start menu, configure the font as you consider necessary. When entering text, you can see that it is underlined at the top. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.